Just and Fair Delimitation JFD Manipur has submitted memorandums to India's President, Prime Minister, Union Home Minister and the Registrar General of India, urgently requesting a postponement of all census-related activities in the state until peace and normalcy are fully restored. According to a statement issued by JFD convener Jitendra Ningomba, the memorandums were delivered on May 19th by the organization's IPR Secretary Kangjam Maharabi. The statement further noted that the delegation attached a reminder copy of the memorandum originally submitted to the Union Home Minister on December 15, 2005, alongside these fresh appeals. The organization expressed grave concern over the Ministry of Home Affairs scheduled to initiate census operations. JFD argued that conducting a census under the current unstable condition risks recording undocumented and illegal immigrants as genuine Indian citizens. It further cautioned that granting regular citizenship rights to illegal immigrants through flawed census data will permanently dilute and compromise the socio-political, economic and land rights of the indigenous populations. JFD added that the urgent need to exert strong pressure on the central government in view of the ongoing developments regarding the government's plan to conduct the census had compelled the organization to submit the memorandums.